A lot of these problems kind of trace back to the same shift. If we can take that energy that makes that could take a war and make that a private sector event, then surely we can take some of these larger problems like garbage in the ocean and make it a private sector event. So, capitalism and greed, the engine that we've made, kind of Adam Smith, Wealth of Nations, produces an aggregate set of services is that's good for humanity. It's just might not have always been directed in the best of ways, or it might have consequences that are bad. But by itself, if you want to get, I joke with my son. I tell him, we'll pass a truck and it's kind of unmarked, an 18-wheel truck, and I'll say to him, do you think they're taking toilet paper to Montana? And I'm trying to explain to him sort of, the basics of macroeconomics, in that, look, if the people in Montana run out of toilet paper, the only solution that we have for it is that you and I will find out about it in the paper and we'll go, oh my God, we can rent a bunch of 18-wheel trucks. We could take toilet paper to Montana and we can make $100,000 in a weekend. You could try to solve that problem a different way, but what we found, what we call capitalism, is that there's a way to sort of jury-rig greed and taxation around the problem such that you never run out of toilet paper in Montana, and you never will. If someone will just connect the dots for them about how they can make that $100,000 in a weekend, and then they'll go, okay, let's use all our smarts and all our brain power and assemble the teams that are needed to solve the problem. I really think that one of the other great things that good tech companies do is they create a lot of great valuable jobs. And so I really, that's a real area of interest for me, is like, how in the Bay Area, maybe I would love to see more jobs for African Americans in the Oakland area and in the Bay Area. And, I hope that this company will help to do that.